Suppose this is your website and you provide different kind of services. After browsing few moments, one of your customers want to send a specific service request. How they can communicate? From our website, they can communicate with from the contact us page, book an free consultation or the live chat visit. But from this specific contact us page, what they can send? They only send their contact detail and some specific service, not the detailed service, like when they need the service, what are the requirement will be for the service. Even customer don't know what they require to get the job done. In our website, we haven't provided a specific service request funnel or page. Instead of this contact us page, if the page was like this, then how would it be? If you provide this kind of service or any other service related to your business, then what they can do, they can select a service. Like if they require this service, they can select. Then next, they can briefly describe what they need. After that, what is the problem? Is this a heating or cooling problem? Then they can select this or both. Then they can mention you when they require the service. After that, this is more detail. Tell us about your property, residential home, commercial building. If I select residential home, then it is single family or multi-family, the property, some other detail, then their contact detail and everything. After putting everything, they can request the service. So what is better, this one or this one? Definitely this one is better for both of us. If I am a customer, then I am providing as much detail I don't even know. From an agency point of view, we need more information to set the priority. Like if everyone book a appointment schedule or they contact us from our live chat visit, then we cannot set the priority. In this survey automation funnel, we set when they require the service, what are the quantity, what are the specific service they require. So it is more effective from both sides. So let's create this kind of more effective service request funnel using survey integration. I already created, so let me show you that. From the site, we can go to the survey and builders. Then you can see this is the survey form. Inside GoHighLevel, you can create the survey page using GoHighLevel drag and drop option. What are the features you need? You can add those features as per your requirement. For the next page, we created this one. So with this survey form, you can add condition logic. Like, let me show you. If they select repair and installation, then it will add this heating or cooling or the both option. And this is common. If they select plumbing and repair, then you can see that there will be a different problem because those two are different service. If they select another option like electrical, then there will be different problem, but this is the same. So how we created this one? We created this one like heating and cooling. You can see all the condition from here. Select the primary services if equal to repair and installation, then what it will show? It will show, is this a cooling issue or heating issue? If this is plumbing repair, then what it will show? It will show the plumbing issue you are experiencing. So that's how it is working. All the problems for that particular service is listed in this place. What it is only showing what we conditionally decide to show. This is the common thing it will show for every service they select. After submitting, I saw a thank you message, your quota request has been sent. Now, after submitting this, how we will communicate with that customer and where we can see the notification. It will not work automatically. To get all the information, we need to create automation. So I already created automation. Let me show you. Out of many automation, this is the automation funnel plus survey submission workflow. So if I open the workflow, it is a very simple workflow. It starts with a trigger with survey submitted, and in the filter I selected which form. It is the service quota builder survey form we created. Then what it will do, it will send a internal notification. Internal notification, it means all of my user who has access to GoHighLevel conversion tab. So what is the internal notification? It will send an email that we receive a survey request from eMartIT survey form. From email this, it was to all the user. Now how it will appear, it is like the message will be a detailed quota request has submitted, and what are the field like name, phone number, email, all this very important that we need to mention, otherwise their submitted information will be missing if we don't put this require field. Now let's see how we receive all the details inside GoHighLevel conversion tab. This is the message we receive inside our conversion tab: name, phone number, email address, the service description, what are the issue we provide. So then we can set a follow-up automation with this customer with our different workflow automation. So you saw how we created this service request funnel using survey builder. It is not only for service request, you can add and create this kind of survey page to achieve different purpose. It could be student information, it could be doctor information, it could be client information, it could be anything. So if you are looking to create this kind of service request funnel using survey builder, then please let us know. We are available for you. You can always reach out to us info@eMartIT.com. We are looking forward to work with you. Thank you.